Hey YouTube, so I'm back with another video. Hopefully my voice doesn't sound too crazy. I think I'm coming down with like a little cold or something. I really don't know. So today's video is just a really quick video showing how I get my hair silky straight. And this is like at home, no flat, what's it called? No hot comb, no professional hairstylist, just me doing what I do, okay? By the way, this is my hair from Nadula Hair on Aliexpress. I actually have been loving the straight jet black hair look. That's what I'm doing right now. That clip kind of tangled my hair up a little bit, but so far I do love this hair. It barely sheds. Of course you guys see some snags right now, but that's because of the way that I had it up in that clip. So yeah, I'm just gonna be like right now it's pretty it's not straight, like y'all can see it has some waves in it like that. So I'm gonna go through it and show you guys the fastest way to straighten out your hair. So this is a lace frontal unit that I did make, customized, plug, bleach, everything on its own. See, just now you guys probably couldn't even tell, but I just like twisted my hand in a way that's very painful, but I cannot let that stop me. Okay, so here I am, still going to show you guys how I get my hair super silky straight, because you guys have been asking me on Snapchat, how do I get my hair really straight? Because you know, every flat iron is not the best, and sometimes it's just hard to get your hair like bone straight. Like, you know how like celebrities or like Instagram models hair be like super silky straight, and that's usually because they have a really good hairstylist. But showing you guys how you can do it at home with only one product. I'm not adding a whole bunch of stuff in my hair at all to get it straight. It's literally one product, and this is my holy grail product. Ever since I started using this, I've never turned back to anything else. Y'all pray for my wrist. Seriously, it hurt. But the one product is can you see? There we go. Is my what is this? Silk Infusion. You guys, if you've never tried this stuff is the goat. Okay, so a little goes a long way. It looks like a small bottle, but this really lasts, because literally a little goes a long way. You don't need a whole lot, because otherwise you're just wasting it. But honestly, I just put some and I'm rubbing it through my hair right now. But honestly, even though it's like an oil feel, it does not weigh your weave down. Like, I cannot stand stiff way down weave, and I'm pretty sure y'all don't like that either. I'm gonna show you guys how I like to straighten out my hair. It's really simple. I mean, I straighten like anybody else. I definitely do the chase method, and you guys always ask me what flat iron this is, and I really don't know. I think it was a Remington flat iron, but it's pretty much rubbed all the way off. And the reason why I'm like showing you guys this video, I mean doing it, is to like show you guys like it doesn't matter what flat iron you have, because honestly this flat iron is not even all that. I really want the Baby Bliss one, but it's just so hard for me to find it in stores, and I don't want to buy it offline. But for now, this is the one I'm using, and this really is going to get your hair mad straight. And honestly, every time I go through it with the Silk Infusion, it gets more and more silky. So maybe I should have started at the back. Sorry you guys, kind of just all over the place with this video, because honestly when I do my hair, I'm usually standing up, so it's kind of like weird to be sitting down. The only time I really sit down and do my hair is if I'm like redoing my frontal, or you know, something that I need to be close to the mirror. But straightening my hair and curling it is easier to do standing up. But anyway, so just take a section starting in the back. It doesn't have to be too small, but don't make it too big to where your flat iron can't even really get through the whole piece of hair, you know what I'm saying? So I put a little bit on each piece of hair, like literally when I say a little bit, like a dot. Like it could fit on my finger, like just the first part of my finger, like a really small amount. And I like to focus it mainly on the ends, because I cannot stand when your weave, like the ends of it are kind of like, I don't want to say fried, because it's not from heat, but it's just a little like frizzy or frayed. I do not like that. So put that through your hair. I already put some throughout the whole section, but I still like to go back and do each section. That might seem like a lot to you, but it's really not. And start at the roots, but you know, it's not like it's your real natural hair, so you don't got to worry too much about the roots. Just make sure they're flat, and then do the chase method. So that's how I like to do my hair. And by the way, I have my flat iron all the way up, 450, This, guys, remember, if you have, you know, Brazilian, not Brazilian, what am I saying? If you have human hair, virgin hair, you can flat iron your hair all the way up. You don't gotta worry about no heat damage or anything. It's weave. So that is the first piece of hair, and look at how pretty that is, and it just falls. Like, it's just so silky and so pretty. So this is what I will do, like, at the beginning or maybe the end of each week if I'm wearing this hair for a long time, or, you know, anytime I'm just wanting to wear like some straight hair, because of course throughout the week it's not going to stay extremely straight. It's going to like wave up in certain spots. So this is what I like to do. Clip my hair up. Let's start back on the next section. So put a little dime size, and I say this in like all of my hairstyling videos or even makeup videos, like, it kind of seems like I'm taking a long time because I'm on camera, but in real life, you guys, this is like, it takes nothing to do this. You could be in a hurry to get out the house and you can do your hair like this. If you guys are wondering about the inches of this hair, the longest bundle is 26 inches. So I think I have a 26, 24, 24, and a 22. And then my frontal is 20 inches long. I did dye all of this hair jet black. I'm not gonna say always, but I prefer to dye my hair jet black because that is my natural hair texture. So, you know, to me, it just looks better on me. And I am wearing a side part today. If you want to straighten your hair out really pretty, side part, middle part, it really doesn't matter. But I've been liking a side part recently. So just do a few passes through. I mean, it's really personal preference. I say that all the time. But you guys, to be realistic, things that, you know, might take a little bit longer, things that you put more effort and time into, is always going to come out looking better than something that you really just rush through. I know everybody's looking for a quick hairstyle or a quick way to look good, but sometimes when you take your time, it's worth it. So, but yeah, this unit is very full. Like I said, 4 whole bundles. So for it to be 4 whole bundles, I think I still get through this hair pretty quickly. When I get closer to the top, I'm probably going to show you guys how I like to like flatten out the top of my head. But for now, I'm just going to continue doing my hair. Of course, I'm going to still show everything. I'm just going to speed through it. And then I'm going to come back and start talking again when I'm actually, you know, doing the top of it and straightening that part out.
Damn. Damn.
Can't be What's going on right now? What is the problem? Tell me the problem. That's in a lot, girl. You can't read my mind. Always been on one and I feel one. Outside of my zone.
Okay guys, so now that I am at the top of my head, as you guys can see, I'm like in the middle. I'm just going to talk through the rest of it. So everything is already looking pretty flat. Like I haven't even gone back and flattened anything, but it's pretty flat. But that's just because of how flat I've made my unit, so never really going to be too bulky. But there is still ways to get it even more flat if you're like really, you know, someone who cares about that type of thing. Personally, I really don't be caring too much. I mean, I want my hair to be flat, but like it's just not that deep to me. But the way to get it even more flat is once you're reaching towards your parts, your preferred parting space, you're going to just take smaller sections and just be very thorough, be very, you know, thorough. So you're gonna just go on it like this a few times at the top. And mind you guys, when you're doing the top layer of your hair, you just need to make sure that you don't hold the flat iron too long in any spot, because that's how you're going to get those like harsh lines, you know what I'm saying? Let me show you. I really don't want to mess it up, but I'm gonna show y'all just to show y'all. So you know how if you hold it here, did it even do it? Sometimes your hair will do it. I think I've already straightened this piece, so it's not gonna do it, but sometimes it will get like a harsh line, and that's when you'll just have to go back over and finesse. But just, you know, go over your hair, don't hold it anywhere too long, and you know, just style it as desired. But this silk infusion is literally amazing. It will give you the look of a silk press, like, or a blowout type, and really all you did was use a flat iron. Like, you didn't have to go out of your way or do mad different steps. You literally just flat iron your hair. And the reason why I made this video is because it wasn't always easy for me to get really silky hair. Honestly, it's not easy. Like Michael said, it's not easy, but depending on your flat iron, sometimes it's really hard to get your hair like bone straight, especially if you don't have like a really nice flat iron or if it doesn't get hot enough. But I'm telling y'all, this Chi silk infusion will get any hair bone straight. That goes for your natural hair as well. Like, I love this stuff. It looks so nice and just like, oh, it's so smooth. It like, y'all, this hair feels like butter. I'm so lame, but literally, like, do y'all see this? It looks like it just came out the pack, and it was some, like, y'all know when you get some beauty supply hair store and it be real nice at first, you know, until it gets nappy. But this is literally how it be looking like. Woo. And then, like, not only is it super straight and flowy, but the silk infusion gives it a very pretty shine. Like, it doesn't look oily. It's not weighed down at all. Butter. I'll probably never stop using this stuff unless they discontinue it or something. But baby, this stuff is amazing. And now for my edges, I wasn't really going to show you guys, but why not? So I use this edge control called Edge Factor. I bought this to wear on like my natural hair when I do like ponytails and stuff, but I haven't worn my natural hair so long. So one day I was doing my niece's hair, my little niece, and it worked so freaking good on her hair. I was like, man, let me try this on my weave, on my baby hairs, because usually like I'll use Eco Styler gel, but I don't like using that no more because it's too water based. So like it'll make my frontal start lifting up if I use too much. But this is like dry, so I never have to worry about it, and I just love this stuff. Wow. So that's really it for this video. I'm so extra. I'm probably gonna put more of this throughout the whole thing, and then just go over my hair one more time, like large sections, like just like do a few passes through just to make sure everything is really bomb. But that's really it. I did say I was gonna come back on here and show you how to get everything nice and flat, so I guess I'll show that real quick, even though this hair is already nice and flat. But but I can show real quick for people whose hair still might be a little bulky. So what you want to do is take a spray bottle. You can use hairspray as well, but I like to use a spray bottle. What is this called? Is it called a spray bottle, right? I'm tripping. A water bottle, spray bottle, whatever. So kind of like comb the water into whatever direction you want your hair to sit. And then if you have a wand curler, that's great. I don't feel like getting mine, so we're gonna use the flat iron and just take it and just go like this. Like press it firmly down in the areas where you want your hair to lay down more at. That's all it takes. So a wand curler, as you guys can imagine, might be a little easier because it's completely hot, the whole entire thing, and it's round. But this still works. Sometimes I like pull my hair and go like this. It's just like you're pressing it down. It's almost like the effect of if you were to like tie a scarf. But if you don't have time for that, especially make sure your part is nice and flat. So I like to kind of like hold it on there. Just don't burn yourself because it's a frontal. So in the frontal area, it's still, you know, very thin. As in, like, if you was to hold it down too long, it could potentially burn your actual scalp. So be careful of that. But other than that, I think I'm done with my hair and it looks really, really cute. Links will be down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair. I usually like to put my hair like behind my ear, but today I'm actually kind of feeling this look. Yeah, I'm kind of actually feeling this look in my face a little bit. This is really cute with one ear tucked instead of both, because usually I tuck both. But this is really cute. So let's see, guys, 26 inches. I did cut layers in it too. Front is still a little bit shorter than what it was, so it comes down to my waist. So love this hair. I dyed it jet black. I'm trying to remember any other questions you guys might have for me. So yeah, again, this is the Chi Silk Infusion. You guys can pick this up at a drugstore. I'm sure Ulta, Sephora, everywhere should have this stuff. It's amazing. I used my Remington flat iron. I did the chase method. So I think that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys so much. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you turn on the post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Be on the lookout for all of my vlogs. If you haven't watched my Vlogmas video week 1, go check it out right now, okay? What else? Follow me on all of my social media. My Instagram is YouLoveTaj with the letter U, and my Snapchat is the same thing as my YouTube channel, which is Taj Arnay. So I think that's it, you guys. Leave a comment down below of what other videos you would like to see coming up, and I love you guys so much. I told y'all I was making more videos, okay? Stop playing with me, okay? Stop playing. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.